Hurt me heart.
Alright people, respect and welcome to Kirkwork TV. If you're new here, please consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, right about now I have a video here to share with you. It's a very sad story. So the guy that go viral with his viral video, you know what I mean, said he have to bake it. His mom passed away and he's just explaining some things right here. So I'm on work break right now and I'm sharing the video with y'all. So check it out. See? Respect. Bless up. Until next time, Kirkwork TV. Yes I.
Best love of my life, you know. Heart wrenching, hard to deal with, but it's still life, you know. When I wake up this morning and get a phone call about the passing of my mama on the island, you know, it hurt my heart. Hurt my heart. Yeah, God bless America, you know, and all the beautiful people over the globe who lost loved one, you know. Yeah, and today I come to realization of how it feels. Today I lose the best love of my life, you know. Heart wrenching, hard to deal with. But it's still life, you know. When I wake up this morning and get a phone call about the passing of my mama on the island, you know, it hurt my heart. Hurt my heart.
Kirkwork TV.